We'll be having another Isle Shore Snackcast soon, and this time we're going to be taste testing snacks from the Plantation era. We're getting ready for the next Snackcast, and I just bought this new equipment to just kind of do better audio stuff, and one of the features on it is it changes your voice. And I don't know what I'm going to do with this feature. I know I just have it on this piece of equipment, so this equipment is brand new, so we got to test it out. And let's test it out with Plantation snack expert Grandma Gladys.
Hello.
Hi, Grandma.
Hello.
Hi.
Who this?
This is your grandson.
You think so? No act funny, eh?
I'm not funny.
Who that? Jay Wilma. Jason. No, look the voice. Jay.
Hey, hi, Auntie.
Grandma think it's not you.
What?
Lucky I was gonna cut the phone.
What you mean, cut the phone?
I was thinking when strangers they talk, I go every time I cut the phone too. So bad.
Why am I stupid?
You boost.
Till then, check out our past Snackcasts. Go to iowashores.com or check us out on Facebook, on Instagram, and YouTube. Just look for Isle Shores.
Bakatari you.
It's the Isle Shore Snackcast, where we try a brand new snack every now and then.